In this lesson, we will discuss factorization, but this factorization is based on the formula a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Before going to start the questions, first we will expand the formula that a cube plus b cube. Here see, individually we have cube of the first term and cube of the second, so it is equal to a plus b multiply by a square negative ab plus b square, and again this formula you have to memorize in order to solve the questions. So if it is individually, I will show you the difference. In the last lesson we have learned a plus b whole cube, so see there is a difference. This is a plus b whole cube and this is individually cube. If it is individually cube, so it is equal to a positive b multiplied by a square negative ab plus b square. But if it is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See, these two formulas are totally different from each other. This formula you will expand like this formula you have to expand like this. And we have discussed this formula in the last lesson in detail. If it is not clear, please watch that video so it will be much more clear to you. But this formula, today we are going to discuss a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. I will give you how you can memorize. Sometimes we forget that whether a cube plus b cube equal to this or this one equal to this what, right? This is not the rule, this is not the hard and fast rule, but just I will give you some clue. See, if it is a cube plus b cube, it is individually cube, so it means you have to make two parentheses. You will expand in two parentheses. Just this is a clue how to memorize this formula. Otherwise, this is not the rule. Because this is the cube, this is the cube. So you can make two parentheses. And this is the whole cube. It means only one parenthesis. Right? Okay. So if someone asks you, how come a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube, or you forget sometimes, so we can prove it. So see, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, just multiply these two. It is, first we will multiply this parenthesis with a, then the same parenthesis with b. And you know how to multiply, we add the exponents of the same basis. Condition is of the same basis, ab square plus b cube. So see, a cube is here, this is a square b negative, this is positive a square b, same thing, but the opposite sign will cancel each other. ab square positive, ab square negative will cancel. What is remaining? A cube plus b cube, right? So we have proved this, that this a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. This is the general formula. Instead of a, we can have any number, any variable, right? When we will solve, so you will see. Now is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, and then a square plus ab plus b square. We will expand like this. Same formula, but this is the positive. If it is positive, a plus b into a square minus ab here. But here is minus, so see, individually it is cube, individually b cube, so we can expand it into parentheses. First is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Same thing I will show you, that if suppose you want to prove it that this equal to this, so just multiply these two parentheses. It is a cube plus a square b plus ab square minus a square b minus ab square minus b cube. So see here, a square b positive, a square b negative cancel, ab square positive, ab square, So whatever is remaining, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to left hand side. So we have proved this. So this formula a cube minus b cube we can expand like this. But again, the last formula which we have discussed, a minus b whole cube, in the last lesson, it is totally different. It is a minus b whole cube. So if it is whole cube, then you have to expand like this. And again, you have to memorize these formulas. If it is individually cube, you have to make two parentheses, just a clue. If it is the whole cube, then only one parenthesis, right? But here we are going to discuss a cube minus b cube. So this is the first question, is 27 plus 2x cube. See, plus 2x cube, it means it is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, we have to a square minus bab plus b square. So we will just follow this pattern and expand it. First is cube, make the cube. So this is the cube of 3 cube, right? And then this is the cube of 2x cube. Now instead of a we have 3. This is the journal run, right? And instead of b, I told you this is the journal formula. Instead of a and b we can have anything. So instead of b we have 2x. So just follow this, a plus b. A we have 3, b we have 2x. This is a plus b. And then a square. Okay, I will write down. So what is a? 3 square. Then minus AB, again A we have 3, B we have 2x, and then B square we have 2x square, which is equal to 3 plus 2x. This part is A plus B, A plus B. A we have 3, B we have 2x. And then this one, A square 9 minus 6x plus 4x square is the answer. Right, just follow this pattern. Okay, one more question. So this is 125x cube negative. Negative means this is, see, this is the cube of the first term and the second term. So it is, how we will expand it, a minus b and then into a square plus ab plus b square. What is instead of a and instead of b? We will find out here. First make the cube. 5x cube. 225 is the cube of 5. And this 216 is the cube of 6. Y cube. Right? So first you have to make the cube. This part. We have made this part. This is the cube of 5x. This is the cube of 6y. Now we have to expand like this, a minus b. Instead of a we have 5x, instead of b we have 6y. So we will write down 5x minus 6y. This is, we have solved this part. Now this is a minus b we did. Now come to the second one, a square. What we have instead of a? 5x. Only whatever inside the parenthesis, not the exponent. So square of the first term plus AB. A we have 5x, B we have 6y, and then B square means 6y square. So 5x minus 6y, 25x square plus 30xy plus 36y square. We expand it according to this. 6 times 36, 5 times 25. Right, and this is your answer. Okay, move on to the third one. This is positive. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, and then a square minus ab plus, this is plus b square, right? This is positive. So just we will follow this formula. First we have to make the cube. 64 is the cube of 4x whole cube, and then 27 is 3y whole cube. You can check it. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, you will get 27. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, it means you have 4 3 times, you will get 64. So this portion we made it. A cube plus B cube. Instead of A, we have 4x. Instead of B, we have 3y. Right now is equal to, just follow this, A plus B. A we have 4x, this is A, and this is B. Wherever you will see in this formula A, you have to put 4x. Wherever you will see B, you have to put 3y. So simple. So 4x plus 3y. Okay, first we finish this part, then we finish this part. Now A square. So I told you A is 4x square minus 4x, b is 3y, plus b square is 3y square. Now we will expand this. 4x plus 3y will remains the same. This is 16x square minus 12xy plus 9y square, and this is our answer. Just make the small bracket. Okay, one more question. So this is positive. What do you think? This is a cube, same thing, plus b cube. A plus b, how you will expand it? I will write down again and again. In this way, you will learn more. Plus b square. So we have to make this one, right? Cube of the first one, cube of the second one. So what is this? Cube of 2x cube, and this is 5y cube. So we made this portion a cube and b cube. Instead of a we have 2x, and instead of b we have 5y. Wherever you will see in this formula, when we will expand it, when we will see a, we have to put 2x. Whenever we will see b, we have to put 5y. So simple. So this one we made it. Now follow this, a plus b. So a is 2x, b is 5y. This is done. Now a square, 2x square minus a is 2x, 5y, plus b is 5y square, 5y square, whole square. And here we will expand it now. So 2 times 4x square minus 10xy, plus this is not 5 2 times 10, it means 5 we have 2 times, 25y square, and this is our answer. Right, so this is the practice problem for you. I have mentioned answer here. This is cube, this is cube, right? This is a cube plus b cube. So you have to write down how you can expand this formula and solve it. And this is a cube minus b cube. Write down how you will expand this formula and follow the same steps which I have told you, and this is your answer. But again, I say, if any point is not clear, if you cannot solve these practice problems, you can ask me in the comment section. But first of all, you have to try 2 or 3 times. Just watch my video again and again. It will be easy for you to understand. But without any hesitation, you can ask me any question. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. And thanks for watching.